Do JavaScript classes have a method equivalent to Python classes? And number 39, _call_. In Python, you can implement _call_ for a class such that calling an instance of the class itself executes the _call_ method. Do JavaScript classes have an equivalent method? Edit. A summary answer incorporating the discussion here. Python and JavaScript objects are not similar enough for a true equivalent, prototype versus class-based, self, versus this. The API can be achieved however using proxy or modifying the prototype, and maybe using bind. One should generally not do this. It is too far removed from the JS's structure and from the normal use of JavaScript, potentially creating confusion among other JS devs, your future self, and could result in idiosyncratic side effects.
I basically agree with at certain performance that this isn't really something you would do in normal JS code. Having said that, proxies offer a lot of possibilities and you can create something that is surprisingly close to, on the surface, to Python's _call_. For example, I'm really not sure if any of this is a good idea, but it's an interesting experiment.
The only way to do this would be for the constructor to explicitly return a function, which can be called. In JavaScript, if you don't explicitly return inside a constructor, the newly created instance gets returned, but such an instance will be a plain object, not a function. But this would be really weird to do, and would not allow you to reference any of the properties on the prototype, or anything like that. Better to avoid it, or to make a plain function that returns a function.
You can get this done, but in a rather weird way. There isn't anything like _call_, _add_, or _sub_. In JavaScript. JavaScript does not support operator overloading. However, if you really want to make objects callable, you can do it by giving a function a different prototype.
If you want to see more, please consider subscribing.